Welcome back to Curious Travelers. If you're gearing up for some surfing lessons on your next beach getaway, you'll want to pack a few essentials to stay safe and comfortable while riding the waves. Let's dive into what you need. Surfing is one of those sports that doesn't require a ton of gear to get started. Your surf school will usually provide a wetsuit and board if necessary. However, there are some key items you'll want to bring along. And don't forget a tube of Good Reef Safe sunscreen. First on the list is the Billabong Unity Loose Fit Long Sleeve Surf Shirt. This shirt is comfortably loose, helping you avoid board rash while also protecting you from UV rays. Leave the skin-tight gear to the pros. Next, check out the O'Neill Hyperfreak Hydro 20 board shorts. These shorts feel like a second skin in the water and never hang up, no matter how you move. They're perfect for first-time surfers. For the ladies, the Seea Swami's Playsuit is a must-have. It's designed with surfing in mind, so it stays in place and allows you to move freely without any suit malfunctions. Want to capture your progress? The Nikon W300 is a waterproof camera that's perfect for documenting your surfing adventures. Ask a friend or your instructor to snap some shots. It's much easier than trying to film yourself with a GoPro. After a long day in the water, slip into something comfortable. The Indosole Essntls flip-flops come in a wide range of colors for both men and women. Just remember, they run a little small, so you might want to size up. Finally, keep yourself safe with Surf Survival, the Surfer's Health Handbook. Written by 3 physicians who also surf, this book covers every conceivable wave riding situation. Your safety is ultimately your responsibility. There you have it. These essentials will help you get the most out of your surfing lessons and ensure you're comfortable and safe on the waves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Curious Travelers for more travel tips and adventures. See you on the next wave. Until next time, stay curious, travelers.